Using the verb to be to describe people. She is kind.
She is kind.
He is tall.
He is tall.
They are happy.
They are happy.
I am tired.
I am tired.
We are friends.
We are friends.
The dog is friendly.
The dog is friendly.
My sister is smart.
My sister is smart.
He is funny.
He is funny.
She is beautiful.
She is beautiful.
They are students.
They are students.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
We are neighbors.
We are neighbors.
The man is tall.
The man is tall.
The woman is kind.
The woman is kind.
My brother is strong.
My brother is strong.
He is honest.
He is honest.
She is creative.
She is creative.
They are musicians.
They are musicians.
I am excited.
I am excited.
We are ready.
We are ready.
The girl is shy.
The girl is shy.
The boy is brave.
The boy is brave.
My father is strict.
My father is strict.
She is caring.
She is caring.
He is confident.
He is confident.
They are busy.
They are busy.
I am polite.
I am polite.
We are healthy.
We are healthy.
The teacher is patient.
The teacher is patient.
The singer is talented.
The singer is talented.
My mother is loving.
My mother is loving.
He is reliable.
He is reliable.
She is ambitious.
She is ambitious.
They are creative.
They are creative.
I am single.
I am single.
We are a happy family.
We are a happy family.
The child is curious.
The child is curious.
The employee is punctual.
The employee is punctual.
My grandmother is wise.
My grandmother is wise.
He is generous.
He is generous.
She is elegant.
She is elegant.
They are confident.
They are confident.
I am optimistic.
I am optimistic.
We are supportive.
We are supportive.
The artist is talented.
The artist is talented.
The brother is playful.
The brother is playful.
My sister is responsible.
My sister is responsible.
He is polite.
He is polite.
She is adventurous.
She is adventurous.
They are reliable friends.
They are reliable friends. Thanks.